Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study together Unit 11, Lesson 1 entitled Transport. Before we start our lesson, let's discuss together the many types of transportation. There are many modes of transportation by land, by air, by sea. For example, for transportation by land, we have buses, cars, trains, bicycles, and even motorcycles. As for transportation by air, we have planes and helicopters. As for transportation by sea or water transportation, we have boats, ferries, and cruises. Now let's compare and contrast each mode of transportation, examining its pros and cons, its advantages and disadvantages. We'll start with trains. Trains are affordable, they're not expensive, but at the same time they're time consuming, so being affordable is a pro and being time consuming is a con. What else? We have also planes. One of the pros of planes is that you can zoom to another part of the world in a matter of hours. It's the fastest means of transportation. But unfortunately, it's not eco-friendly, it's not good for the environment, it's bad for the ozone layer, and it's very expensive as well. What else? We have also bicycles. Bicycles are cheap. If you use a bicycle, you can explore the landscape around you, so this counts as a pro. You can exercise and be fit when you use bicycles, and it's good for your health. But it's not really convenient if it's really hot or you're going to work. We have also buses. Buses are the least comfortable means of transportation. Unfortunately, it can take you so much time to get to your destination. Buses take much longer than planes or cars. That is to say, they are time consuming. As for motorbikes, they are dangerous. There is a risk of accidents. Now that we have examined and compared and contrasted many types of transportation, what is your favorite means of transportation? Now take a look at the picture. What can you see? That's right, it's a cable car going down the mountain. Do you know where this place is? It's in Juneau, the capital of Alaska, which is in the USA. Did you know that people use this kind of transport to travel quickly up and down the side of the mountain? The mountain is called Mount Roberts, and there is a fantastic view from the top. Just FYI, Juneau is a city by the sea. It has a large harbor where there are fishing boats, ships carrying oil, ferries, and cruise ships. There are very high mountains around Juneau, so there are no roads to get there. People travel there by ship or by plane. Lots of tourists arrive on cruise ships to visit Juneau, and they like to travel up Mount Roberts to go to the restaurant at the top and admire the views of the city and the mountain. So the quiz for this unit, what is the name of this means of transport? A, wire car, B, cable train, or C, cable car? The answer is C. The name of this means of transport is cable car. Now it's time for the Kurtugi Adventure. Before you listen as you read the Kurtugi Adventure, please have a look at these questions. Where were the children in the last episode? They were on the beach. 2. Why did Robbie leave the others? He left them to get his mobile phone from the house. 3. Why isn't Robbie on the beach with the others in this episode? Because Bruno and Buzz grabbed him and took him away. Now let's listen together to the Kurtugi Adventure.
Help! What was that? I'm sure I heard a scream.
I didn't hear anything.
Where's Robbie? He left half an hour ago. He should be back by now.
Maybe we should go and look for him. Come on, let's go. It's better than waiting here anyway. 10 minutes later. Look, the front door is open.
That's odd. And Robbie's mobile phone is here on the floor. Let's go inside. Robbie! 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 Are you here? There's nobody here. Something has happened to Robbie. Now we have to tell Oliver. What if Crane has got him?
We can catch the bus. There's a bus stop over there. Jake, call your uncle and say we'll meet him at Mum's cafe. Come on.
That's the oldest bus I've ever seen.
Maybe it is, but it's faster than going on foot. Get on. Back at Parrot.
That was the worst bus ride I've ever had. What a crazy driver. And look at the tires. They're ancient. I'm not going to get on that bus again.
What's going on?
Robbie has disappeared. We think that Crane has kidnapped him.
Crane? But why? Anyway, I saw Robbie at home an hour ago.
We've just come from the house. The door was open and Robbie's phone was on the floor.
Tell me exactly what has happened, and then we'll go to the police.
As you listen, try to answer these questions. Number 1. Mandy hears a what? She hears a scream. That's right. 2. Robbie's mobile phone is at the house. It's on the floor at the house. Correct. 3. The children are going to meet whom at Parrots? They are going to meet Oliver at Parrots. 4. The bus driver is ancient or crazy. The bus driver is crazy. 5. The children think Crane has what Robbie? Has disappeared Robbie or has kidnapped Robbie? The children think Crane has kidnapped Robbie. Excellent. 6. Oliver wants to go to the police or go to the house. Oliver wants to go to the police. Now that you have listened to the Kortuga adventure, let's check your answers to these questions. Number 1. How long do the children wait for Robbie on the beach? Half an hour. Remember when Kate said that Robbie left half an hour ago and that he should be back by now? 2. Who thinks they should look for Robbie? Paulo. He said maybe we should go and look for him. 3. What does Jake notice at the house? He noticed that the front door is open. 4. Is anyone in the house? No, because Kate said there is nobody here. 5. Who do the children tell when they can't find Robbie? They tell Oliver. Assuming that something has happened to Robbie, Kate suggests telling Oliver. 6. Is the bus new or old? It's old because they said that the tires were ancient. It means they were very old. 7. Do the children enjoy the bus ride? No, they said that it was the worst bus ride they ever had because the bus driver was crazy and the tires were ancient. 8. Is Oliver surprised that Robbie disappeared? Yes, he was astonished, asking questions. Crane? But why? Now we're going to study together some transport-related words. The first word is transport. Please repeat after me. Transport, transport, transport. Transport can be both a verb and a noun. The verb means to take or carry people or goods from one place to another by means of a vehicle, aircraft, or ship. The noun means a system or means of conveying people or goods from place to place. Driver, driver. Driver. The driver is the person who drives the bus, the car, or whatever vehicle it is. Driver. Caravan. 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 Caravan is a noun which means a vehicle that a car pulls and in which people may live and sleep for a holiday. Caravan. Coach. 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 Coach is like a big bus. Motorbike. 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 Tram. 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 Bus stop. Bus stop. Bus stop. You wait for the bus at the bus stop. Tires. 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 For example, I've got a flat tire. It means that the tire of my car doesn't have any or enough air in it. Flat tire. Catch. Catch. Catch here is a verb. When used with a means of transportation like the bus, means to get hold of something. For example, catch the bus. This man is trying to catch the bus. Get on. Get on. Get on. Get on is a phrasal verb which means to step inside something. For example, a bus, a train, a plane. People here at the bus stop, they are getting on the bus. They are getting inside the bus. Get on. Faster. Faster. Faster here is a comparative adjective. For example, the car is faster than man. We're comparing two things or two people. Faster. By adding ER to the adjective. Adventure. 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 Adventure is a noun which means an exciting journey in which unusual things may happen or for discovering new things. Adventure. Scream. 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 Scream can be a noun and a verb. For example, the girl in the Tortuga Adventure, she heard a scream, a loud voice that's produced because of fear, pain, or harm. Why would people scream? Because they are afraid, because they are in pain, because they are harmed. The boy in the picture is screaming. Maybe he's in pain. Scream. Kidnap. 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 Kidnap is a verb which means to take someone or something by force. Robbie was kidnapped by Bruno and Buzz. He was taken by them by force. Kidnap. Disappear. 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 Disappear is a verb which means cannot be seen any longer. The opposite is appear. Look for. Look for. Look for is a phrasal verb which means to search for. For example, I'm looking for my keys. It means I'm searching for my keys. Look for. Ancient. 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 Ancient is an adjective which means extremely old, which belongs to old ages and long time ago. For example, the pyramids are ancient. They're very old. This shoe is ancient. The tires of the bus in the Tortuga Adventure, the tires were ancient, very old. Odd. 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 Odd is an adjective which means strange or different from what is normal or expected. For example, this goose is different from the rest of the ducks. Odd. Front door. Front door. Front door. The front door is the main entrance to a house. Front door. Now let's check your understanding of the vocabulary we have studied together. A. Complete the sentences with these words: bus stop, catch, get on, kidnap, and scream. Number 1. Here is the train, let's get on. Excellent. 2. Did he really a boy? Did he really kidnap a boy? Take him by force? 3. I'm sure I just heard a scream. Excellent. A loud voice. Maybe someone is in pain. Scream. 4. We always the bus into town. We always catch the bus into town. 5. Excuse me, is there a near here? Is there a bus stop near here? B. Match the words from 1 till 6 with their corresponding pictures from A till F. 1. Tire, it's the rubber that surrounds a wheel. 2. Driver, the person who drives a car, a bus, a train. 3. Coach, it's a big bus used for longer distance service, and it's often used for touring, intercity, and international bus service. 4. Motorbike, it's a motorcycle. 5. Caravan, it's a bus where you can sleep. Tram is a passenger vehicle powered by electricity, conveyed by overhead cables and running on rails laid in a public road. So the answers are 1. C, 2. D, 3. E, 4. A, 5. F, and 6. B. Thank you for watching. Bye.